Guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Latest styling texture to experiment with textured stitches like popcorn bubble or curvable stitches to create a visually appealing texture and add buttons, beads or embroidery to a simple clutch to make it stand out. And different latest combine stitches, French and beads for our performance by design. And transition between shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish guardian. Effect: project a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Beautiful and new ideas, styles, looks. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. And mention me in comment section for your feedback. Beautiful and latest ideas. Crochet handbags. Crocheting handbags.